And good eve, mga boss. As you can see, you have a year mixer for our milestone break, our RBB 25. Let's open to start this break up with the Donruss Mega. We got our first pink card. A rated rookie. For the Cavs, Evan Mobley. Top rook agad for the Cleveland Cavaliers. An Evan Mobley to start the break. Ganda. And complete players. Luka Doncic, complete players. Stay. Oh, we've got an insert. I think it's an insert. For the Atlanta Hawks. Complete players. Trae Young. Nice hit. Pink laser. Trae Young, complete players. For the Sacramento Kings. And our pink laser, not a rookie again. For the Knicks, Derrick Rose. So congrats, Clippers. Another hit for you. And the complete players for Nikola Jokic. Nice hit for Denver. Another hit for Denver. Dejounte Murray for the Spurs. I think there's an insert. Yes, it's an insert. It's a franchise features. And live. For what team? For the Nuggets, Nikola Jokic. Another Jokic. Back to back. Congrats. And Magicians tayo. Magicians for Jason Tatum. Congrats. Pink laser kanina. What is this? Mukhang Magicians. Magicians na pink. Oh, this is gonna be nice. For sino? Para kanino kaya to? And Magicians. A pink Magicians. This is probably gonna be nice. Mukhang ganda nito. For the Lakers, Anthony Davis. So let's move on to the optic for the Hawks. And the rookie, Charlotte Hornets, LaMelo Ball. Finally, another top rook. LaMelo, we finally got it. Sayang, di pa nag-isa pang LaMelo. Sayang. And we've got a Giannis Antetokounmpo, T- and boss. And their first My House for the Clippers, Kawhi Leonard. For the Los Angeles Clippers, congrats, LAC. This looks like New York. For the Knicks ba to? Yeah, it is for the Knicks. Can't get a bad rook for the New York. And it is Obi Toppin. Congrats, New York. A purple Obi Toppin. Nice hit. Let's open up the blaster first. And then let's move on to the optics right after again. Indiana Pacers. Base. And what is this? Zion Williamson, rookies and stars. So to XR for Darius Garland, an Evan Mobley, and now a Kevin Porter Jr. pink. And rookies and stars, meron si Zion, dinagdagan naman ni Ja Morant. Congrats, Memphis, our first Ja Morant. And another Zion Williamson. Essentials naman, congrats, NOP. One for Washington as well. And ano sa likod natin? Recon. For Ja Morant, another Ja Morant. Second of this box. This looks interesting. Para kanino kaya to? Calbo. For RJ Barrett. Nice hit for New York. RJ Barrett, pink flux. Congrats, Cleveland. Boss Kevin, umahakot ang Cleveland talaga sa rookies. Nice hit. But we have an XR pink for Zion Williamson. Nice hit for NOP. Grabe. Tiwala. And let's open up these last 10 packs for optic. And then after this, let's open up our 2 hangers. And another T- for Giannis, the second one. So I don't think it's a rookie. I think it's a vet lang. Oh, it is a rookie for the Timberwolves. Sino miss out natin? Boss Zaf? For the Timberwolves, a holo rookie. A holo rookie for Anthony Edwards. Congrats, Boss Zaf, for Minnesota. Nice hit for Minnesota. Ganda. Anthony Edwards. Holo. What a nice hit. Ganda. Anthony Edwards holo. That's a nice card right there. It's probably our top hit na. We dikit na naman. Let's look at this muna. For the Hornets, another rookie for the Hornets. Pwede ba? May chance? LaMelo Ball again for the Charlotte Hornets. Break. And another T minus for Luka Doncic naman. Congrats, Dallas. Second Luka. Another one for the Mavs, Tyler Bay. So parang umulit na nga yung set talaga ng Rocks. I feel like. And the My House, this time green for Jason Tatum. Ay, nag-iinit na nga ang Boston. Congrats. Ooh, we got a purple My House. Ayan, we got a purple My House. Anong color to? Blue? Okay, so let's look at this. Tingnan natin sa gilid kung ano yung team natin. For the Lakers and for LeBron Bano. Sana swertein. Anthony Davis. Another Anthony Davis. Insert parallel. This time, My House. Congrats, LA. Team colors pa. For the Los Angeles Lakers. Purple. Not numbered. Congrats, LA. Labas Giannis. Sana palabas natin yan, boss. And what team is this? A holo, My House. For the Clippers, Paul George naman ngayon. Kanina Kawhi Leonard. This time, a Paul George. LACU mahakot din. Checkerboard sa optic. Kahit napakarami ng nabuksan din. What is this? Is this an auto? Ay, uy! Oh! We have it! A checkerboard! Lumabas na! Tama sinabi ko, grabe! And let's open the Prestige first. Tapos na natin buksan yung status. Last natin yung status. Jazz. Otto Porter Jr. And a Jason Tatum. Ayun na nga for Boston. Congrats, Boss Kevin. A Jason Tatum for the Boston Celtics. Congrats, Boston. Nice hit. And ito sa likod na naman. De'Aaron Fox. Ayun na nga. Rookie class for De'Aaron Fox. Congrats, Sacramento. A rookie card for De'Aaron Fox. Nice hit. And ang gulo. Ang gulo nito. Hindi na tayo mag-check. Oh, Bam Adebayo for the Miami Heat. For Boss Archie. Congrats, Boss Archie. A Bam Adebayo. Congrats. Class. Let's put Tatum right there. And hoping for a couple more here sa status. Hunting those Luka. Those SGAs. Those Trae Young rookie cards. Hopefully lumabas dito. Hoping for an auto as well. Broke off yata. Sayang hindi pa nag-Luka. But for the Nuggets, Michael Porter Jr. yun na nga. For Denver. Lumabas din for Denver. Congrats. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander. Congrats, LAC. Dumagdag pang hits ng Clippers. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander naman. SGA. Lumabas din. Talaga siya. But let's see. Baka mabigo na naman tayo, boss. But let's see. Milwaukee. Yun na nga, Milwaukee. Oh, it's a rookie. Jordan Nwora. Rookie card. Checkerboard. Nice hit for Boss Will. Ayan, sabi mo, boss, purple lang. Checkerboard pa ang binigay sa'yo, boss. Nice hit for Milwaukee. Grabe, sa sweat talaga ni Boss Will. Ganda. Jordan Nwora. Nice hit. Checkerboard for Jordan Nwora. Kapal, ang daming top loaders na nagamit. So let's have a recap. So a Factions for the Cleveland Cavaliers. An MPJ rookie card for the Nuggets. SGA rookie card for the Clippers. A Status Quo for Jerry West. Rookie class for De'Aaron Fox. Stars of the NBA for Dirk Nowitzki. Bam Adebayo rookie class. Highlight reel, ayan. I'm not sure what parallel this is, pero parallel for the Pelicans. Tyrese Maxey for the Sixers. Meron pa sa likod. Luka Doncic, T-. Not bad din naman Dallas. Dami ring insert si Luka. And 2 T-. Not sure kung holo ba to. I think these are holos pa. Dalawang holos pa ito ni Giannis. Eh, congrats, Boss Will. I think these are 2 holos din. Kasi parang iba siya dito sa Luka eh. Or parehas lang. Yeah, I think these are 2 holos. Tapos purple holo for Aaron Nesmith. Marquee for Darius Garland. Luminance for RJ Barrett. Threads pink for Cam Johnson. Cam Reddish pink Marquee. Pink Luminance for Kevin Porter Jr. Complete players for Luka Doncic. Complete players for Nikola Jokic. Express lane and franchise features for De'Aaron Fox. Los Angeles Clippers franchise features Paul George. Davion Mitchell for the Sacramento Kings. Great expectations for Jonathan Kuminga. Rated rookie for Jalen Suggs. And rated rookie for Bones Highland. So let's check our top hits for this break. What a break indeed. Sobrang daming rooks na lobas. Hindi tayo disappoint. Our Pink Laser franchise features Nikola Jokic. Pink Laser Magicians for Anthony Davis. Magicians for Jason Tatum. Pink Laser Complete Players for Trae Young. Pink Laser Derrick Rose. A Purple Holo My House for Anthony Davis. A Holo My House for Paul George. A My House for Jason Tatum. A My House for Kawhi Leonard. A rated rookie for James Wiseman. Purple Holo rated rookie for Obi Toppin. XR for Darius Garland. A Pink Flux for RJ Barrett. Rated rookie for Evan Mobley. 2 rated rookies for LaMelo Ball. An Essentials Rookies and Stars. And the Pink XR for Zion Williamson. A Rookies and Stars for John Morant. And a Recon for John Morant. A Prestige for Jason Tatum. And of course our top hits. An Anthony Edwards Optic Rated Rookie Holo. And a Checkerboard Rated Rookie for Jordan Nwora. That's it for our milestone break. Again, thank you for joining and for supporting since RBB number 1 to RBB number 25. And sa mga kulang sa hits dyan, bawi tayo sa next time. Again, as usual, thank you and peace!